This is for the thumbnail. Hold on.
Gotta get the thumbnail pic.
And then I'll say unboxing little gadgets. Hi, welcome YouTube to my channel. Thanks for 16 subscribers. We'll be unboxing little gadgets. Nothing big. For example, this is far too big. This is far too big. We'll only be unboxing little gadgets on this channel, and today we have the famed pods. Now, I've already taken off the plastic packaging. I'm really sorry about that. Feel free to flame me in the comments as long as you leave a like. And subscribe. So first off, we have this little packet. Who's gonna read this shit? We're all looking for this. It's wrapped up in a nice little egg. Jacob, have some cheeky cameraman commentary.
Oh, I thought this.
Okay. Give me something.
Okay, to play along.
We'll just pop open the egg. You can immediately see that light blaring. I wonder if that's an error. Is this supposed to be blaring?
Here, let me get the macro shot, you know?
Yeah. I don't know what that means, but sure.
That's probably the wrong way to use it. It's not moving though, dude.
I'm sorry, I just wanted to point out the similarities in the lights between this and that. I wonder if they use the same supplier. Now that's an interesting...
That is an interesting...
Let's ask the businessman. Moment! Businessman! Comments on the supplier of these LED lights. Are they the same?
Well, like, obviously the supply chain is...
exponential.
I mean, like, the efficiency? These are not synergistic in the slightest.
Thanks to our special guest,
Thank
Moment.
you, Moment! Applause. Insert the applause there.
Yank them. You can see two deep holes in there.
How many millimeters?
I'm gonna lose a lot of sprinkles in these holes, guys. I mean, a fuck ton of sprinkles. That's gonna be a problem because I can see two little charging ports in there. Let's get a zoom in, cameraman.
Hold it. Oh, I'm still trying to...
It's
blurry, but we'll see it.
So now we got these little two things and anything else in here? Anything... I didn't know I get a new free charger. Steve, you've done it. Oh, sorry, Tim. Rest in peace.
Tribute. Play a tribute. Okay.
But Tim really came through on this one. This is all Tim. This is all Tim. This is not Steve. See, like Steve can claim this. Doesn't matter how much you improve.
Did you do Touch ID?
I mean, but it's based on Steve's idea. I mean, this
You're
is
right.
entirely new.
We'll get a close up. Oh, see this thing? Group me.
I fucking hate it. I didn't. We're gonna bleep that out.
We're gonna bleep that out. We're clean, and we're also not gonna sample any music because we don't want to do. The fitting.
Well, let's see if so that works fine. And then let's
we
see,
know that works.
Can I place it in the hole straight from the ear?
Can you charge it while you're wearing it? That's a good question. Tim?
It's too much of a question because this is just an unboxing video.
You're right.
The unboxing.
Tune in next week on
little unboxing little gadgets. Next week we'll be doing the what's it called?
Oh,
the Bluetooth.
The Bluetooth.
The original
2005 Bluetooth.
Guys, I got a great deal on eBay. It only cost me $8.50, and we got an original in the packaging 2005. It's not in here. I just don't know what to do with that hand.
Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn notifications on, guys, so that whenever I upload about 6 times a day, you'll find out each time which little gadget is coming next. Coming at you, it's your boy, Little Gadgets, and then I'll do one of these.